Send these guys home. Come on, set the tone early.
Come on, man. Let's go. Let's go, man. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on.
Anybody here to take some, get some rest. All right, let's go 1 on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go. Go. Go.
Do this last year. We didn't come in here, you know, and get relaxed and just play. And you did it with your defense. But we all know where this is heading. Heads every year. It's going to be, you know, the two of us. So, we got Irvine tomorrow. They got the winner this one. I don't care if you.
It's not a whole lot to talk about, guys. Not a whole lot to talk about. Go win the game. Go win the game. Make sure you do it together. All right. Don't branch off and do your own thing. Do it together. We'll be fine. Let's go win.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Like I said at half, great teams always don't play great. Okay? Great teams figure out a way. And you guys did a great job of being a chain. But it'll probably come down to the third time's a charm. And that's what we want. I want Santa Barbara. I'm hoping Santa Barbara because again, I want to go through the best. It's like conquering the demons, okay, and getting it done. But we're going to have to be more ready and more focused than we were today. Anything, we came here for 3 wins. We're 1 away. We're 1 away. Get done.
Let's go. Hey, get your body, rest your body, take care of yourself tonight. Finish. Tomorrow's our day, baby. We're gonna finish tomorrow. Finish on 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job.
Gonna take you to the glory. I can't stand it, no, yeah.
No team we'd rather be playing than these guys here. Okay, you guys have been here before. You know the recipe to beat them. Play together on offense, have each other's back on defense. Let's go finish these guys off tonight. Let's go.
Come on, baby. Let's start.
Finish on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Finish. Here we go. Let's go, Gold.
George for 3. Got it! Outside Casper gets the defender in the air, dribbles around him, goes to the lane. Good pass underneath the Phelps, and he jams it in with 2 hands. A chance at a 4-point play as Dan Munson goes over to pick up his superstar. Long Beach State is headed to the
Okay, now, here's the deal, all right? When we put our hands in and say finish, okay, we haven't finished, all right? And the last, remember I told you guys about going to the NCAA tournament with Coach Couch and we're the first team out, okay? That's not fun. What's fun about the NCAA tournament is going for a run. Guys, there's whoever we draw tomorrow, it's going to be great, okay? And it's somebody that we're going to go beat.